We're at the Courtyard by Marriott in Kona, Hawaii. This is like a beach resort hotel. I don't know how to pronounce the full name of this place, but I'll get it in the description. We're up here on the 4th floor. And tonight, we're gonna be taking a room tour of room 403. So let's go. As you saw, we're given wristbands as our room keys. Not something I'm typically used to in hotels, but I guess it'll do. It's my first time experiencing that. So first things first, we'll look at the evacuation map. We'll get some light going real quick. We're in the east wing. There's 2 buildings here. We're in the east tower. Now let's look at our security features. We got the latch up here, deadbolt, do not disturb tag. In here, we have a closet with a Challenger safe. You are given an ironing board with an iron also. I have no idea what that does. We have some coat hangers. This looks like, one of those pillows. Fascinating. This door looks a little like it's pushed out. I don't know, maybe it's just me seeing stuff. Here we have the thermostat. It's on 72 right now. I might have to cool that down a little bit, but not a big deal right this minute. Otherwise, it looks like a decently spacious closet. Here we have the bathroom. Let's get a look at this. A nice looking bathroom overall. A little on the small side, but still pretty nice and modern. So we have hand towels, of course. We have, I guess, washcloths, bath tissue, hair dryer, shower towels down here. We got a trash can, the toilet, extra towel. Coming up here, we have tissues, water glasses. Here's the rest of the washcloths. Got a cleansing bar and some lotion, facial mirror. We got bar soap and then the sink. Water pressure's good. Let's get a look at the shower here. Cleanliness, it looks like they need to clean that fan vent. That is definitely a little gross. Oh, this is fascinating. We have one of these. Interesting. Got shampoo, conditioner, and body wash in here. That's pretty convenient. You got the handicap rail. Nice looking shower overall. Sliding door. Pretty good. And then we have the towel hanger up here. Double doors for the bathroom. I'm not a big fan of the sliding doors as per usual. So this is a bit of a red flag. So yeah, I'm not a big fan of that. That's a personal preference though. But now we'll take a look at the rest of the room. We have a 2 double, 2 queen. I'm pretty sure. I'm liking the backdrop with the beds. Very Hawaiian, definitely. So we'll get a look over here at the nightstand. We got the phone, postcard, or no, that's a guest satisfaction survey. Double lamp. And then we have an alarm clock. It is showing the correct time, so that's good news. Actually, I'm going to keep this on. We got a Holy Bible in the Book of Mormon. I hope I pronounced that right. I mean, down here it looks pretty clean, so that looks promising. We have suitcase rack over here. That does not pull out. There's all our stuff. And then we have mirror over here. Hi. Let's come over to the dresser. We have a ice container and tongs. Some more water glasses. Plenty of drawers, definitely. And that one does not want to stay shut for some reason. Oh, we have a mini fridge. Looking good. Oh. Something don't seem right about this door. Those screws are a little loose. And I don't know what this is. What in the world? Well, all right then. That's disgusting. And this is literally about to fall off. Wow. Okay. The TV remote is bagged up. Oh, it's been sanitized. Okay. We got a pretty big Samsung flat screen TV up here. Then we got the desk with a nice looking lamp. Magazines. We have a Keurig coffee maker over here with the coffee beans, half and half, sugar, cups, and all that stuff. We got some outlets back here, 2 USB, rolly chair. Let's see if we can unlock this. Come out on the balcony. We got 2 chairs and a coffee table out here. A pretty nice view up here too. There's the pool, and there's the rest of the beach. And there's the other building out there. And that's locked. Air conditioner does not operate. Okay. We have a giant door. Wow. Giant sliding door for the screen. That's pretty nice. All right, I'm gonna take my shoes off and we're gonna test the comfiness of these beds. I'm liking it. It's a nice and comfy mattress overall. Pillow is nice and soft. Did they hit the mark with cleanliness is the question. Are there any hairs? Are there any stains? Right offhand, it doesn't look like it, so looking good. That looks like a stain. Otherwise, not seeing any hair, so that's good. So, oh, I didn't even notice this. What does that go to? Oh, that goes to the alarm clock. Oh, that's fascinating. Oh, there's also some extra USB outlets down here. Interesting. Well, I mean, the look of this room's nice. I definitely, however, am not pleased with how they cleaned that. because that container of grapes, that was disgusting. And also that one door is definitely hanging on a thread, so that will need to get fixed. Oh, I also just noticed that this is not. Yeah, that one does not want to close either. And also this door, I don't like this design either because not a lot of privacy while you're in there. So that's another bit of a red flag, but I think I've covered just about everything about this room. I mean, that is definitely a concern cleanliness wise. So that is going to affect my overall rating of this. But otherwise, the beds are comfy. That's the most critical part of a hotel. So I'm pleased with how they did the beds. And the bathroom on this is a little on the small side, but it's clean and modern. So that's a good sign. But I don't know if I got much else to say about this. For a resort hotel, it's actually decently nice. If you're in Kona and need like that resort kind of feel, this is a decent choice. So I don't know if I got much more to say about this. So this is going to conclude this hotel room tour. So thank you all for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. It's free and you can always change your mind later. But with that said, I will see you on the next one. Mahalo and bye.